Hi everyone, I hope you're safe and well. I'm Nikki and I'm a placement student from the School of Management. So I recently attended an online workshop organized by The Edge, and it's called Mobile Photography and Video Workshop. And this 1.5 hour workshop, it's perfect for anyone who is interested in video making and taking photographs with their smartphone. However, they don't have like a professional camera to do so. The instructor provided a lot of like useful tips, which I really like, and they're not rocket science. However, they can really like elevate your photography and filming skills. So one of the things that he mentioned is that always take your photo and film a video landscape instead of portrait. Obviously, it depends. It really depends on your purpose, but most of the time, you don't have to crop it if you do it landscape, and you won't reduce the resolution of the image or the video. And that was another thing that he said was really interested, is that it's easier to watch a poor quality video with sound than watching a high resolution video with no sound. So obviously sound is a very important part of a video. If possible, film your video and record your sound separately. And I wish I could do it now, but I don't have the microphone to do so. You can always combine the two using a video editing program. This will guarantee you high quality sounds and really upgrade and elevate the quality of your video. I hope you guys find this review useful, and I will really recommend this workshop to people who are interested in tapping into like the video making and photography field. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time.